everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva and this is the Busy Mummy Unboxing channel where I unbox many subscription and mystery boxes. I do quite a lot of them and this one I'm quite excited about. This is the Bats and Bones box from the USA. Okay, so a bit about the company first. They started last year. They're a small startup company. They send out a box each month. If you like Gothic, occult, pagan, Halloween or the darker side of life, then you like this box. Okay, so it works out $30 a month, but on top of that, if you live in the UK or anywhere in the world apart from the USA, you have to pay extra shipping, which is usually about another $20 on top, so it's $50, which works out about, talking about £40, maybe a little bit more every month. Okay, so this box is meant to contain 5 to 7 items, including home goods and decor, accessories, jewellery, bath beauty, gemstones, candles, etc. You do pay a bit less as always if you sign up for sort of 3 or 6 months, and you can get it on the website, which I'll put below, or on Cratejoy, and they're also on Facebook and social media. So let's get on with it. Now, quite a large but thin box. The theme of this box, March, is Ouija. So, I wonder what could be inside. Okay, now if you've not signed up for this box, then you will get the April box, which is a zombie invasion theme. Apparently they are almost sold out, but they do have some more. There is a May box. I'm not too sure what the theme is, but that will be on sale from April the 5th. So if you want the zombie box, if they've not already sold out, which they might have done, then I will put the details below where to get one. So this Bats and Bones, there we go. Let's unbox it. Okay, it's a bit of a weird one to get into this. Let's try and exciting stuff. Ugh, God, so nice to get through these boxes recently. Oh, here we go. Okay, so there's quite a few items in here as always. Let's start with the small stuff. Do we have a leaflet? No, we don't think so. Is it hiding somewhere maybe? Okay, I'll just get on with it then. Okay, so we've got a wicked good perfume oil and it's called Ouija, surprisingly. Let's have a sniff. Oh, it's a rollerball one too, so that is definitely for the body. Yeah, it's quite strong. I think I might have overdone it. It's kind of like a woody oil. Nice strong scent. Not really any smell to colour. I don't know why I put my hand out there because there's no colour to it, but yeah. And you obviously can't smell it, but yeah, there's that. Okay, what's we got here? We have a bag. Isn't that cool? It actually looks like one of the pillows I've got somewhere. Nope. I can't find it, but yeah, I've got a pillow a bit like that. So that's like what we call shopping bag there. I might actually take that with me later when I go shopping. That's pretty cool. I'll pop the oil inside there so I don't lose it. We have got talking about a trinket dish. Ooh, this cool. Oh wow, look at that. You know, I've actually got a wee shopping board too, so maybe I could put something on that in the kitchen. That's pretty cool, I like that. You can also put jewellery and things on it. Oh, there's that one. And I'll put that in the bag too. There's this. I think this one goes with the big item, but I'll show you anyway. Yeah, there's a planchette. And it says something different, talking board. There is, this is like a, it says tin sign. I will get that open for you in a minute. And here we go. It's really cool, like made of tin. And it says Ouija rules on it. Sit in the darkness or candlelight, never play alone, never play in a cemetery, treat the spirits with respect, always say goodbye and remove planchette when finished. And yeah, I like that because it's tin. That's actually like really cool too. And finally, the best one, we have got our board. Look at that. It's got like the woman there, numbers, goodbye, yes, no, the letters, and then on the back it's got like a prayer. Prayer for myself, not entered here, but to those that I love, may your strength for them be near, to fall on them gently, thy mercy from above. And Stokes board. So yeah, that's really, really cool. I like that. So we got the board, the tin sign, the trinket dish. Got the planchette in the bag there, the oil, perfume, and of course the bag itself, which I think is a bargain for like $30, £23. That's really, really good. So that is the Bats and Bones March box. I will put the details for you all below. And as always, thanks for watching and be safe and goodbye.